Okay, guys. We're about to start seeing what's in those bags. We're gonna see what we're gonna find. All right. So, getting my little glove on. Glove up. All right. Get my glove on. I'm gonna bring this bag over here on this little blue. If you know, you know. And we're gonna start seeing what's in there. All right. Here we go. I'm like ever so observant because there's this black snake that's been being very busybody around here, and I'm not a friend. I'm not a friend. All right, first bag. I'm just gonna bring both bag over here. Now this will be an indicator as to what we'll find, hopefully in a raised bed. So shout out to the persons who, in my last potato video, suggested that I do a little fertilization, which I did. Maybe I could have kept these a little longer, maybe until the end of October, but I need my bags to use. And that bed, I'm going to need that bed to use. So let's see what's in here. Here we go. All right. Well, like I said, could have left them a little longer. All right. But still got me some food. So now I'm not sure if I should take that bed, but I think I'm going to have to take it whichever way because I need that space. All right. This is the other one. This is my first time actually planting sweet potatoes in bags. And as you can see, I planted 4 slips. All right. So I just took out 2 slips. Oh, actually 5. Here's another one over here. Actually 5 slips in this bag. And I think this is it's not a 7-gallon, maybe a 10-gallon bag. All right, let's pull this one. Yeah, here you go. And actually, I tell you, like, I'm actually very surprised. Very surprised. And here's another one. Look at that. Oh, look at that. All right, let's pull this other one. Here it is. This one doesn't look like it has anything on there. Well, it actually does. It's very dry. Actually does. But I think as of now, I definitely need to come out of here. Ooh. I will need to make note of when I planted them so I can know if I need to keep them for 4 months instead of 3 months because I wasn't sure when they were planted. All right, let's see if there's any more in here. It's pretty dry, actually. If I plant in the bags again, I would definitely, you know, be a little more vigilant as it comes to watering and fertilizing. All right, there's nothing down here, just some roots. But so far, I am very grateful. I think if I was being more diligent with my watering and fertilizing, it would have been, get away. Oh my god, many insects. Okay, that's for this bag. It's very dry, but look at that. Look at that. I got me some food, and that's one bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. So it's like 4 per slip, right? Okay. Let's go for the other bag. That one over there. And here's the other bag. See how many slips we have in this. This looks like it's around the same. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's pull this first one. Huh. If I had given it at least 2 more weeks. Oh, you, not bad. You get a little one here. And the third one. All right, here's somebody dancing around. Yeah. Now, I believe if when I had just planted them, if I had fertilized them, trust me, I would have. Yeah, this one probably got more water. Look at that. It's a good size potato. And I believe these are the Murasakis. Yeah. But you live and you learn. And this is still a blessing. God still provides. Let's see if there's anything. All bugs. And it's pretty dry again. I did not do a good job. I think these bags, I'll tell you something about these bags. You feel something down in here. Here it is. These bags actually, if you look, I had put like dry leaves at the bottom and then just a bit of soil on top. So I don't know if that contributed to but it can see the soil is very dry, very dry. Something else. I feel something else. Ooh. Yeah. So look at that. So it didn't matter the leaves really. Look at that. Not bad. I don't think the leaves really mattered. I think it was just my the ants in there. Ants and more insects. See something looking. It's just a thick root. More roots. All right, I believe that's it. That is it. And what have I gotten? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so for my two 10-gallon grow bags of 4 slips each, this is what I have received. And it is beautiful. Very, very grateful. So I am certain that the other bed, I'll definitely have some fruit in there. Looks like something was starting to eat here. But this is a good size. Good size. Yeah. Yep. And if you look at these, not bad either. See? Good size. I can have these for dinner today. So I'm gonna peel these and cook them. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna check that big bed. Every time I start, you know, seeing the fruits of my labor, whether they're small, big, or in between, I get so excited and I want to try. Oh, let me try and see if there's anything in the bed.